Hey, Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and I'm here to talk about marine oil today. Why should you buy a marine-based oil when you could buy just what looks to be a regular automotive oil at your local auto parts store? The marine application is under a much more severe conditions, basically. You're dealing with an engine that's under a much higher load in order to get the proper performance out of it. Also, the speed at which we run our engines, 4,500 to an excess of 6,000 RPM, is very different than what we run our automotive engines at. Also, the marine engines are running at a much lower temperature as well, so oil has to flow properly and still be able to lubricate that engine inside quite very well so that you have longevity of the engine. And the environment itself that we're running it in, there's a lot of moisture in it. We're constantly drawing moisture into that crankcase, so it needs a preservative in there to help keep from the engine breaking down from the inside out. So engine oils basically are certified two different ways. This is a regular automotive oil, and we'll always see that SAE, which is Society of Automotive Engineers, and they're the board that certifies automotive oils, where in the marine industry, the National Marine Manufacturers Association certifies 4-stroke oils and 2-stroke oils to a minimum acceptable level. This one has a diamond label on it that you'll see whenever you pick up quality quart or gallon of marine oil. You're going to find that basically it'll have this seal on it where it's a freshwater, a 4-stroke water-cooled engine. What oil should you buy? Basically, I always recommend that if you have a Honda, you have a Mercury, you have a Yamaha, whatever engine you own, that's the oil you should use. There are a number of different brands on the market, but to be better safe than sorry, use the oil that it's recommended for. Also, I would always recommend, as opposed to use an aftermarket or a knockoff oil filter, definitely buy the brand oil filter that matches your engine. It's just going to be like, then again, going back to better safe than sorry. What oil and how much to use? Reference your owner's manual. And here in the Mercury owner's manual, this is a 150. It'll tell you basically in there that this one should be used in a 25-40 synthetic. An alternative would be a good quality 1030, depending on the temperatures that you're running it in. So this is Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. I've derived a lot of the information from this Yamaha catalog. It's basically maintenance matters. We pass a few of these out. If you happen to get to a Yamaha dealer, stop by, ask him for one of these. There's a lot of information in here, more over and above what I've just given you. So, hey, it's Rob Brown. It's Rob's blog. I hope this information is helpful to you.